Okay, so here we go with the MiG-21. I've had a different afterburner setup in here with LED lights, and now I have a newer setup, which I actually like better. Now if you can see, I've got aluminum reflective tape in there to keep it from bleeding through the foam and to make it a little bit brighter as it comes out. Let's see, and then we have, it's wired into my receiver. I have a 10-channel receiver, so I have it on a separate channel, so it'll work on its own. I have it on throttle cut, so the throttle won't work, but the afterburner will. So let's power it up. It comes on at about half, right there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And then as you turn the throttle up, it gets brighter. Now with the camera the way it is right now, you can't really see that, so I'm gonna have to set the brightness. I'll set it there. Let's go up to half. Set the brightness. And then I'll show you where it comes on. So it comes on right here, about half. And then go all the way to full and it gets brighter.
30 seconds.
And it lights up the whole thing. Now, I am going to be making this available pretty soon, so if you're interested, get a hold of me. You can look on my YouTube channel, get more info there, and then get a hold of me and I can go from there. All right, that's it.